Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Godaddy domain to your Wix website. This process allows your website to be live and accessible online. We'll focus on the name server connection method, which is recommended for seamless integration. This means Wix will manage your domain's DNS records, simplifying future updates. Remember, a premium Wix plan is required to connect a custom domain. Your first step is to locate the specific name servers provided by Wix. Begin by logging into your Wix account and heading to your site's dashboard. From there, find the Settings menu and select Domains. You'll then add your existing Godaddy domain to your Wix account. Wix will guide you through prompts and display two unique name server addresses, typically starting with NS. Now it's time to update your domain settings within Godaddy. Log into your Godaddy account and navigate to your domain portfolio. Select the specific domain you wish to connect. Locate the name servers section and choose the option to enter My Own Name Servers, Advanced. Carefully input the two Wix name server addresses you found earlier, replacing any existing ones, and then save your changes. After updating your name servers, it's important to understand that these changes aren't instant. DNS propagation, the time it takes for updates to spread across the internet, can take up to 48 hours. You can check your domain's connection status within your Wix account. If your site doesn't appear right away, try clearing your browser's cache. Should you still experience issues after 2 full days, reach out to Wix support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.